Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. So in the next few days we have our Indian Independence Day coming up on 15th August. So let's plan something special for this day. How about making tricolored Moti Pulao? Sounds interesting, isn't it? We'll make some flavorful Methi Pulao and garnish it with tricolored motis made out of paneer. So let's proceed and make our flavorful Moti Pulao or Methi Pulao. Methi Pulao with tricolored Paneer Moti or Moti Pulao. Who can ever resist such a delicious, beautifully decorated, colorful platter? Basmati rice are cooked with whole spices, fresh methi leaves or fenugreek leaves, fresh coriander leaves which lend a divine flavor to this pulao. Look at this. Awesome. The flavors are heavenly. It's a treat for methi lovers. The pulao is then garnished with colorful motis made with paneer. And here your platter is ready. For this we have taken 2 cups of rice, basmati rice, 1 cup of fresh methi or fenugreek leaves, half or 3/4 cup of coriander leaves. Then we have 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 green chillies. Then for whole spices, we have taken 2 bay leaves, 1-inch piece cinnamon, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, and caraway seed or shahi jeera, 1 teaspoon. And then oil for frying the motis and cooking as required. Now here I have made paneer chena from 1 liter of milk. Boil the milk, curdle it using lemon juice or vinegar, strain the water and your paneer is ready. You could also use store-bought paneer, you can grate it and use it as well. And the same quantity of mashed potato. 1 large potato I have boiled and mashed it. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, use as required. Salt to taste. And here we have natural food colors. This is a company called Sprig. They have natural products. These colors have no artificial flavoring. All these colors are extracted from fruits, vegetables and edible flowers. That's why I like using these. First we are going to soak the rice while we do the other preparation. Cover it with sufficient water and set it aside. Now take the paneer into a wide platter and mash it with a masher. Add the mashed potato, salt and breadcrumbs as required. Mash it until you get a proper texture where you can bind it and make it into small balls. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. You can check and add more if required. Now combine all the ingredients first with the masher. Now you'll need to use your hands to mash it well. You can see it is almost getting done. You get the best result only when you knead it with the hand. You can check it out by making a small ball whether it's done. Now gather the dough this mixture, divide it into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Now we'll start adding the color. First I'm using orange color. Add few drops and mash it. If the color is not showing, add little more. I think the orange color is showing yellow tinge, so I'm adding little more of red color. The mixture of red and yellow will give an orange tinge. You're getting the orange color now, you can see. As I mentioned earlier, these colors are quite safe because they are natural products, extracts from fruits, vegetables and edible flowers. So it's quite safe. Now this is done, orange is ready. We'll leave one as it is, the white color, and the third one we'll add the green color. Add few drops, mash it, and if required add little more until you get the perfect color. Now I think it's just the right green color. Here we go. Set it aside. Now we have all the 3 colors ready. Now make small marble sized balls from each of them. It's so much fun to create a special dish on a special festive occasion. When I was living in Brazil, this is what we used to do. Every festive occasion we would create special dishes and get together with friends and enjoy the party. Each of us would bring something. On Independence Day it would be tricolored dishes. There are so many dishes you can try out. Like tricolored idlis, puris, parathas, tikkas. So this pulao of mine was a big hit over there when I made it. You can even make this for a polka dot party theme. Now here we have them ready. All the balls are done. We need to fry these. Heat oil in a small pan. Once it is hot, drop few at a time. Don't put too many as they might just break. Turn them with a spatula to fry them evenly. Take care that the white ones do not become brown because we have to show the whitish color. Just toss them around a bit and remove. This way you can fry all of them one by one. So friends, how are you celebrating your Independence Day? What special dishes are you making? Do share with me in the comment section. It's fun, isn't it, to make these special dishes on special days? Now here we are done with the green also. All fried and ready. Now we'll proceed to make the pulao. Heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a cooking pot or a handi. This is called handi in Hindi. Dip in the whole spices. Toss them until you get a lovely aroma. Now add the garlic and ginger. Saute it a bit until it becomes light brown. And the flavors are infused into the oil. Add the green chillies. I'm adding them whole because this way one can discard them if they don't like. Now add the greens, the fenugreek leaves and coriander leaves. Saute them a bit. Methi dishes are really very flavorful. Now add the turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and salt to taste. Give it a nice stir. Now add the soaked rice. Stir fry the rice a little bit, about a minute or so, until the moisture dries up. Now time to add water. For 2 cups of rice, I am adding 4 cups of water, but I am not filling the cup to the brim because I need grainy consistency. If you need a softer consistency of rice, you can fill the cup. Now we'll allow it to boil. Give it a stir in between couple of times. Check the salt. You can add if required at this stage. Cover it. After couple of minutes, open and check. Now it's almost half done. At this stage, you can reduce the gas flame to medium. Intermittently keep checking. Now the water is all dried up. So now you can reduce the flame to low. In a small pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Ghee gives real good flavor to the pulao when added towards the end. Let it melt. Don't make it very hot. Just once it starts melting, reduce the flame and add the caraway seeds or shahi jeera and put them on top of the rice and spread them around. These really give a lovely flavor to the pulao. Cover the lid and place it on a griddle for dum. Once the pulao is ready, serve it on a platter. Tastes good when it is really piping hot. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Methi flavors are really amazing. All the methi lovers are surely going to love this dish. Dish it out and then garnish with the colorful motis, paneer motis that you have made. Awesome. It's definitely a party dish. As I mentioned earlier, you can even serve it in your polka dot party theme. Here we go. Pair it with sai bhaji, it goes very well. You can check out the sai bhaji link in the description box and I button. I hope you all like this recipe and are going to include it in your Independence Day menu. Make and enjoy. Do share the feedback, and happy Independence Day to all of you in advance. See you soon with a new recipe. Bye. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. You might want to check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.